What is the secret behind my $1,200 client? How did I land my $1,200 client from X? In this video, I'm gonna be talking about that. But before I tell you about it, I have something for you that I want to share with you, and that is if you are a copywriter who is like looking for tips regarding copywriting, then I have my newsletter where I post like 3 to 4 times a week talking about like copywriting tips, my journey and my experiences till now, like 2.5 years of experience. I spayed that inside my newsletter. So if you're interested in that, I have it linked in the description below. Go and subscribe. I think you will find it super useful. Now, talking about the video, how did I land my first client using like X? Like, what is the secret? And the only secret is my personal brand on X, like the profile that I have created on X. That is literally the only secret that helped me generating $1,200 client for myself. Till now, I have worked with 22 clients, and except for one, all of them came from X. So how can you do the same? How can you leverage your X account to get 1,200 clients or $1,200 clients or even more than that? Like I have people who are like signing 3,000, 4,000, $5,000 clients from using X. So right, so how do you do that? So this is what I did, and this is what I recommend my students also. So here is the step-by-step guide on how to use X to get clients, right? So the first thing is you have to create an account. Like definitely, like this is like the obvious thing, right? You need an account there first. So create an account. Once you have that account, you have to get the premium, and it is like really cheap, bro. Like if you use like Android, or if you're like signing up from a laptop, this is a secret, right? So if you are signing up from the laptop, it costs you around like $5 a month, and the ROI is insane, bro. Like just by paying $5, you are getting paid $1,200 or even more, right? So this is a huge ROI that you can use. The premium that you can use to get clients from there. How it will be using it? It will be like helping you is that premium shows that you are serious about what you are doing, right? So you have to get like the premium, right? So once you have the premium, what you have to do is the second step, which is like creating a content strategy. Now when I ask people to create a content strategy, I always say keep it super simple. There are three topics that all you need to talk about: one for your ICP, one for yourself, and one for the algorithm. The algorithm one helps you with getting attention, talking about like talking to the like directly to the ICP through your post, that helps you get leads. And the third one is like writing for yourself. When writing for yourself, you don't get bored with the platform, right? So that is like the all three pillars of your content strategy. That is all you need. So once you have a content strategy, then comes the third step, which is like posting there consistently. You need this one because consistency is what gets you results. You cannot expect results overnight. It took me, again I'm saying, after starting on X, it took me 3 months to get my first for $300 clients, right? So that is it. Like you need to be consistent there. Like once you start being consistent, you will realize how the platform works, how the algorithm works, how people there, how they are, interacting with you. You will see a pattern, and you have to like follow that also. You have to, if you want to be a part of that community, then you have to understand the pattern that is like that is happening there, right? So you will get to know about that. So once you do that, there comes the fourth step, which is building the momentum and engaging with people. Once you build the momentum, you what will happen is like you keep on doing it, and then what you have to do is like you have to keep on engaging with people. When you engage with people, what happens is like you build a friendship, right? Once you have that friendship, what you can do is like you can go and DM them. Like you can literally go and DM them, hey bro, I'm like consuming your content for a while, and I wanted to reach out to you and talk to you, to be friends with you, right? So by doing that, you will like basically praise them, right, inside the DMs, and start a conversation. Once you start a conversation, you can hop on calls. Once you hop on calls, you can use that that friendship, right, as your strength to land clients. How? By asking for referrals. Like for take an example. Let's say you reach out to someone, and you like go on hop on calls, and after like 2 or 3 weeks, you can go and reach out to them and ask like, hey bro, you know what I do, this is like you can again in the networking con you can explain what you do, right? So you can tell them like, hey bro, this is what I do, right? And now I'm thinking that I'm thinking of helping two more people, let's say, right? You can I'm thinking of two more people helping this month. So do you know anyone who might be benefited by my services? If they actually have one, they will recommend it to you because you are friends with them, they know you, right? That is why there is a there is a bonding factor that will help you land clients faster, help you like they will refer you, like if they really like you, if they really a friend with you, then they will refer you. So that there comes the fourth step, which is like building up a network by engaging with them, right? So once you have that, this is how you get clients initially, like in your initial days. And let's say if this thing that doesn't work, then there comes the first fifth step, which is like adding CTAs. How do people will know that you are providing a service? You have to first let them know. And how do you do that? Is by adding a CTA, a call to action. You tell them that this is the service that I provide. If you know anyone or if you're interested, reach out to me. For example, take an example of a CTA that I use is like, this month I am using two more people hitting XYZ goal by doing this. If you're interested, DM me, right? If they see it, let's say a tweet that goes viral, or maybe a tweet that got like 1,000 2,000 impressions, right? Or eyeballs, whatever you can say. And let's say I add the CTA there and they see that post, like the CTA, and if they're really interested, they will reach out to me. It is as simple as that. It's like adding the CTA. So these are the 5 steps that literally all you need to land clients from X. For the last 2 years I have been using this, and now it is like a no-brainer to me. I don't know like why people do not use it. Like this is like super visible, still people are not using it, but this is all you need to get like 1,200 $1,500 $2,000 $3,000 clients. Now talking about $1,200 client, I want to show you like that I have landed that client, because I know people will say, bro, what is the proof that you have landed that client? So here it is, like I have like the screenshot taken, not a screenshot, I'm going to show you the page. So if you can see, this is the Subodip Paul, and this is the $1,200. And there is also another screenshot where I got 40,000 paid. But yeah, this is the $1,200 that I got paid, right? So this is the proof. This is like the Wise account that I use, right? So okay, so let me show you the interface once again, so that people will believe that this is a Wise account, not a fake screenshot, right? And I can scroll, right? You can see that I can scroll. So this is what this is not a fake client or anything like that. So yeah, I mean, this is it. Like this is all you need to land clients from X, using X, like leveraging X. This is the only secret behind my $1,200 clients, and you can use it also. Now talking about landing clients, again I'm going to pitch you my newsletter, which is like added in the description. I post content around like copywriting tips, like tips like this, like how I landed clients and all these things. My experience is there. So if you're interested, go join and like subscribe there. I have it linked in the description. And for this video, if you liked it, I would really appreciate if you like share it with someone, like this video, and subscribe to my channel, because I have more such videos coming up in near future, right? So I guess that is it for this video and I sorry, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.